I rebuilt the World Cup with this 3D generator. And honestly, it's way easier than you think. The image to 3D feature is incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is upload an image. And within seconds, the 3D generator turns it into a fully detailed 3D model. Pretty simple, right? You can also use Batch to upload multiple images at once and generate several models in a single run. You can use these features to turn your favorite football players into 3D models, recreate footballs, or design your own stadiums. That means you can generate all kinds of 3D models in just a few minutes without any professional skills. Can you think of anything else fun to create? Share your ideas in the comments below. We'd love to see your inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe, we will share a lot more 3D creations soon.